Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma in Asma's kitchen. Today I'm gonna share really refreshing everyone's favorite mango shake. It's summer and summer is all about mango, so I will share mango recipes time to time in my channel Asma's kitchen. So stay tuned. For mango shake, you will need 1 cup mango cut into cubes, 1 cup ice, 3 to 4 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup milk. Now in a blender, add 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoons sugar or according to your sweet taste, one cup mangoes, and in last 1 cup ice. Now blend everything all together. After blending, I am filling glasses with mango shake. Now it's absolutely ready to drink. I hope you enjoyed. Like if you like this recipe, leave a comment below, enjoy and share it with your family and friends, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to click bell icon. See you in next